In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a project to another team in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to make the move smooth and predictable. First, sign into Asana using Google Chrome. Chrome is a reliable choice and helps ensure everything loads correctly and quickly. Make sure you're in the right Asana organization, especially if you belong to multiple organizations or workspaces. If you don't see the projects or teams you expect, check the organization switcher in the top bar to confirm you're in the correct place. You'll also want to have the right permissions. Typically, you need edit access on the project and membership or access to the destination team. Next, open the project you want to move. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact project you intend to relocate. Look at the project name, recent tasks, and the current team shown in the sidebar. It's a good habit to quickly scan for any sensitive tasks or custom fields that might behave differently in the new team, especially if that team has different privacy settings. Now look to the top of the project for the project header. This is the strip that shows the project name and various controls. Click the header to open the project actions menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a drop-down arrow or a three-dot menu. This menu contains administrative actions for the project. From that drop-down, choose Move to another team. If you don't see this option, you might be in a personal workspace instead of an organization, or you may not have the permissions required to move the project. In that case, contact an admin or a project owner to help. When prompted, select the destination team. You can only move a project to a team within the same organization, so pick the team that will own the work going forward. Before confirming, consider how access will change. The project will inherit visibility based on the new team settings, which may affect who can view and collaborate on it. When you confirm the move, Asana will relocate the entire project, tasks, sections, assignees, due dates, and comments, so your workflow remains intact. After the move completes, double-check the project in its new team. Verify that the right people still have access and that any custom fields or rules function as expected. That's it. You've successfully moved a project to another team in Asana, keeping your work organized and your team aligned.